Here's how to auto-sync your video to the music beat in CapCut. So the first step is to open up CapCut, and then you just have to add your images or videos and your music. So as you can see, I'm using these two images and I have this song right here. Now, if I play the music, you can hear it. So what we're gonna have to do is simply select where the beat changes, and then we just have to drag this line next to it, and then we're gonna have to use this button, which is add marker. So as you can see, we have a marker right here. Now before we continue, we're gonna have to enable this option, which is turn on auto snapping. So we're gonna have to do this for each beat change. Now you're gonna have to listen to the song and make sure you put the markers correctly, and then what we're gonna have to do is simply drag our videos or our photos, and as you can see, it will snap to the marker. So that means that we can change here the photos. So I'm going to copy and paste until we hit the marker, and then we just have to do that for the entire song. Now if I play this, as you can see, so we'll have this auto sync. Now, as I said, you just have to use these markers. So make sure to listen the song carefully, and then you just have to put these markers once. And then after that, you just have to simply drag the photos and the videos so they match, so they snap here in place, and that's it. So this is how you can auto sync your video to the music beat in CapCut. Make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.